Hello, welcome to Life Skills from Sanskrit. I am Jigar. Today we are going to look at a couplet that talks about the importance of togetherness and unity. So without wasting any time, let's just jump into it. Sarvatha samhataireva durbaler banavanapi amitrah shakyate hantum madhuha brahmarairiva. Let me repeat that. Sarvatha samhataireva durbaler banavanapi amitrah shakyate hantum madhuha brahmarairiva. What we are going to do is we're going to divide this into two bits and then look at them individually. So let's have a look at the first bit. The first bit says Sarvatha samhataireva durbaler balavanapi. Durbala means weak and balavan means someone who's strong. Now the first bit tells us, look, what happens most of the time? Most of the time we see the strong pick on the weak. And that's how the world works, unfortunately. So what happens is people who've got power, they will always try to take advantage of people who do not have power. And what can we do? We need to make sure that that doesn't happen, because we cannot let a society be where powerful take advantage of the weak. How can we make sure that there's a balance? And this couplet gives us an example and a solution. What does it say? Well, for that we have to look at the second bit. So let's have a look at the second bit. The second bit says, Amitra shakyate hantum madhuha brahmarairiva. So the second bit gives us an example. It gives us an example of a honeybee and a bumblebee. Bumblebees are big and strong, while honeybees are tender. If one single honeybee tried to take over a bumblebee, it is not going to be successful. It won't be able to do it. But the solution is, if a group of honeybees got together and they tried to take on the bumblebee, what's going to happen? Well, the honeybees are going to win. And that's what the solution is. The couplet says that, look, we know that the strong pick on the weak, but how do we fight back the power? Well, basically by uniting and being together. If the weak get together and fight for their rights, if the weak get together and fight the power back, what's going to happen? Well, at the end of the day, unity will win. And that's what we want to be as a society, a united society where the power is equally distributed. And if we can achieve that, if we can do that, of course, we will live in a prosperous and a happy society. So, let's have a look at the couplet again. Sarvatha samhataireva durbaler balavanapi amitra shakyate hantum madhuha brahmarairiva. My take on this couplet is, with unity, even the weak can take on the strong. Just like honeybees can fight a bumblebee if they do it together. So, what we learn from the couplet is we want to be united, we want to be together to stay strong, because of course, unity makes us strong. Thank you for joining me today. Stay positive, stay tuned.